So today we're doing a very fun challenge. I have with me Yara, whose handle is MakeupMonkey on Instagram, and she has a YouTube page also, so I'm gonna link it down below, check it out. Anyway, so we're doing the blindfold makeup challenge, and with a kind of a twist. So what's going to happen is I'm going to pick out some products from Yara's makeup bag without knowing what they are, and I'm going to do her makeup with them. So I don't know what's going to happen, and she's going to do the same on me. So if you're interested, if you want to know how pretty, adorable the makeup is going to look, then keep on watching.
So now it's Gael's turn to choose some random makeup items from my makeup bag. She hasn't seen them yet, so she doesn't know what I picked. And yeah, she's gonna apply them to my face blindfolded. So the makeup items are over here, so you can start choosing.
Oh my god, this is so hard. So this is, I feel like I can say with confidence it's deodorant.
Yes, deodorant. It has a smell, but you won't know what it is.
Is it deodorant? Is it actually?
No, of course not. I don't put it in my
I don't
bag.
wanna put my finger on it. Okay, let's pass on this.
Pass? Okay.
So this is the NARS. Is it the NARS?
Yes.
Yara, just so you know why we did this. Okay, this is why we did it. Violet?
Nothing.
Where's your face?
Oh.
Are you dying?
I'm closing my eyes just because I don't want to.
Is your hair tied?
Yes.
Okay. I love the fact that I can feel like there's so much product on your face.
Great. Amazing. Okay, I'll open it for her. This is what she picked.
Is it open?
Yes. You need a brush.
It has a smell.
Okay.
I think I know what it is, just because I know you have it, but I've never seen this in my life, just so you guys know. But I know the smell. Is this the Physician Formula thingy?
Yes.
It is.
Not bad, honestly. I expected it to be worse.
I'm just trying to imagine where your jawline would be. Where is it? Okay.
If you imagine it this way, it means that it's already perfect because you're hitting the right places. I'm kidding.
Is this your Clinique setting powder? Is it?
It's my setting powder, but it's not
Clinique. Prairie, La Prairie.
Yes.
Okay. So
You want to set my face?
Let's set your face. Thinking I'm gonna put stuff on top. Does it have a thingy before on
Yes.
top? Oh.
You want to use that or you want to use the brush?
Doesn't matter. So I'm using this like sophisticated.
Sophisticated pouch. Bougie pouch. This powder smells like bougie babies. Like baby powder and rich.
Okay, Yara, great description.
Right?
Oh my god, it smells like my mom's stuff from when I was so young.
Exactly my thoughts. Or your grandma's.
Yeah, على القد.
Kind of grandma smell.
Yeah.
But in a good way.
Yeah, exactly, 100%.
So this is the palette.
This is probably an eyeshadow palette, just because I think you don't have any face palettes, honestly. Do you?
I do. I have the Naked Shapeshifter, but I don't choose it that
But
much.
exactly, you don't like it, you regret buying it. You're welcome.
Yes.
Yes. So I watch your
I
stories.
don't have any eyeshadow brushes, I forgot.
I have if you want.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
I just apply them with my finger.
Yeah,
no
yeah,
problem.
Yeah. You can apply eyeshadow with fingers, and most of these are applicable with fingers, if you know what I mean. Wait, let me show them. Most of them are applicable with fingers.
So I'm just going to take something that... Okay, this is used.
All of them are used.
No, it has a hole. Is this your eye?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't even know which one was the first one I used.
Different colored eyes. Seriously, you're not doing that bad of a job, or I'm blind because of the blindfold from before.
I'm more careful and I'm slower than you.
Yes.
You were very fast.
I was trying to make an everyday makeup look like
Sure.
oh wow!
Let's go with it.
Look at that.
Is this mascara? Or it's okay, it's either mascara or lipstick. It's not mascara. I can't smell anything, it does not smell. Okay, so let's put this on the lips and hope it's not mascara. Okay, this is so hard. Where
Yeah.
I can feel like I did not touch your lip.
This is so uncomfortable. She was trying to feed me the dough food applicator. She was.
This is the Becca highlighter for sure.
Yes.
Becca is the only brand that has 75 layers.
Okay. You want me? Okay. Can you guess what the shade is?
I think you
Show
only
them.
have one,
Yeah.
which is the opal one, no?
Nope.
Oh my god. Wait, it was the Jaclyn Hill one.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I forgot what I was doing.
Champagne pop. She took the brush.
I was doing this.
It was nice, but now I'm kind of bored. I like the Dior highlighter more.
Yara, if you don't know her, is very bougie, and I love the fact that I turned to the camera as if I was speaking to someone. I'm like, Yara.
She's a bougie person.
She's a very bougie person, so she likes Dior. Because where was I putting this?
I don't know.
So she doesn't care for Becca and those brands.
No, I like Becca, but I got bored of this highlighter.
This is mascara.
Yes.
I think I'm touching your eyelashes, aren't I?
Yeah, you are.
Alongside your face and your eyes, but
Surprisingly.
I'm good, yeah.
Yeah. You're putting it on my lashes. So this is the finished look. This is Gael's talent. Let us reveal it. Wait, let me
Help you?
Yes, let me help you. This is what I did on her face.
Ow, that really yeah. And I was able to put green eyeshadow.
Yeah, you did a better job than me.
Basically, it's not bad. Like, considering, it's not bad. I actually put... Oh my god, I'm
You
so
put
proud
face of the Gary.
So, what was this?
The pan stick, it's bronzers. Bronzer and contour.
These are our final looks.
I think Gael did a masterpiece on
I
honestly.
did. Your lashes. If you want to watch Yara apply makeup, then go ahead to her channel or her Instagram page and you will be able to find all the videos. So yeah. That's it. We hope you enjoyed. We hope you had fun and you saw how these masterpieces were born.
Yeah. And if you have any other fun challenges that you want us to do, let us know in the comments, DM us, anything, and we'll be glad to check them out.
Yeah, I don't think it can get any worse.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Yeah. So we hope to see you soon. We hope you watch our next videos and yeah.